Hello and welcome. Today, I invite you on an extraordinary journey into a world where luxury has no limits. Behind me stands Antilia, the world's most expensive private residence, valued at over $2 billion.
This architectural marvel belongs to a city-born billionaire, a visionary whose success has reshaped the skyline around world.
Join me as we step inside and explore the remarkable wealth and craftsmanship within.
The first step inside surrounds you with scale, elegance, and absolute precision.
Every corner is custom designed, blending comfort with unmistakable sophistication. This feels less like a home and more like a carefully curated private gallery. Here, everyday living is elevated to a standard few places in the world can match. This residence reflects vision, ambition, and architectural mastery on a global scale. As we step back outside, the grandeur continues seamlessly beyond the walls. Even the outdoor spaces feel like a private resort, designed for absolute indulgence.
Wow, I'm truly marveled. This is indeed a $2 billion home. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, comment, and share. I'm Hamid, your host, and this Luxury Sphere.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. If this is your first time here, welcome to Luxury Sphere. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Let's grow this channel together. It costs nothing to subscribe or share. See you in the next video.